All right, so check out the Aelfric Eden oversized rhinestone hoodie that we're going to be doing a review and test on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we're going to be putting this to a test to. And in this review and test, we are going to wear this on, and from there, I'm going to give you guys my feedback on whether or not if this oversized rhinestone hoodie is worth it. So without going any further, let's wear this on, and I'm going to show you guys what I think about this and give you guys my feedback. All right, so here's the finished results of the Aelfric Eden oversized rhinestone hoodie that I have right over here. And so far, I absolutely love this. The rhinestones, number one, they are really high quality. They're like diamonds and they are firm into place and they are snug. They do not fall apart if I'm like moving it, like you can see here. Even if I'm like pulling it like that, the rhinestones themselves, you can see that they are snug into place and they are, you don't have to worry about it like falling apart or anything like that. So that is one thing you don't have to worry about. Number two, there's one thing to keep in mind about this is that it does come oversized. So that is something to keep in mind. I'm about 5 feet 10 inches and 165 pounds. And so far you can see here, there's enough space by the arms that you can see here. It does come oversized, but if you want, then I would definitely recommend it, since it comes oversized, to size down as it becomes big in size. But other than that, I would definitely recommend this product because it really stands out from the crowd. It gives that Y2K look. It looks absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna give you guys a front and back view of this, how this hoodie is. But one thing I do also I forgot to let you guys know is that even the back side, you can see the signature logo that says Aelfric Eden as well too. You can see how much high quality this hoodie is. I put the hoodie up like that. You can see how beautiful this looks like. And also another thing to keep in mind, this is 60% cotton and 40% polyester material, and it does feel very high quality. That the one thing I also love is that the cloth material is also very high quality, so that's something I also love. But I'm gonna give you guys a front and back view of this rhinestone hoodie. We're gonna do another one to show you guys how it looks like in the dark. You can see how beautiful this looks like even in the dark, and it does, the rhinestones, they really do sparkle if I'm moving. You can see how high quality this is. I would definitely recommend this product. If you are looking for a rhinestone hoodie to stand out from the crowd, give that Y2K look and that streetwear fashion look, then this right over here, the rhinestone hoodie from Aelfric Eden, is by far one of the best rhinestone hoodies to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.